Hey guys, so today I did a full face of makeup on camera, and for my eyes I used the Dominique Cosmetics Latte palette. I did a super easy everyday smoky eye on my eyeballs. I only used 3 shades. And I also played with a few new Huda Beauty products today, her Body Glow and the new Tantour. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, we're going to start with the eyes and I'm going to prime my eyeballs. People always ask how I prime my eyes, and I switch between a concealer and a paint pot or the Sigma stick. It just kind of depends what I'm feeling, but most of the time I do use a concealer, and I use any concealer that's just kind of laying around. Like, I don't have a really particular one, but I usually grab for the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. So I just do a little dot on my eyes, and then I take kind of a fluffier concealer brush and just buff it out. Now I'm going to take a mix of the 2 brown shades we've used so far on my E35, and I'm going to put that in my crease again to blend out this harshness. We just want this to look like really smoky and that's pretty much it for the top lid. Let's move on to the face. So I want to try something I haven't tried before on my face. I saw Nikki Tutorials talk about this in her Snapchat, and she took the new Huda Beauty body highlighter as a face primer. I don't know how this is going to work. I feel like I saw someone else talk about it too and they said it worked, so I'm a little nervous. So I'm going to use the lightest shade called Luna. Am I going to look so glowy? Oh, fuck. I guess I'm just gonna put it all over. Oh, gross. Ew, that looks so bad. I look like a sweaty, oily mess. For my foundation, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear, and it's the shade 405. I think it's the lightest one, I don't know. Let's see how this looks over this glowy stuff. This foundation's a little bit too light for me, but I'll add bronzer and stuff, so it'll be fine. And this foundation is more on the matte side, so we'll see how it works with this body highlighter. I feel like that looks kind of really good. Holy crap. Now I'm going to try the e.l.f. concealer in the shade Fair Beige under my eyes. I still don't know how I feel about this concealer yet. People say it's similar to Shape Tape, which is my all-time favorite, so I'm still just kind of testing this one out. And I'm going to set that with my RCMA No Powder. Nope, color powder. I just take like a little bit on the tip of the sponge. And I don't really bake, but I just really pat it in. Okay, actually my under eye looks freaking fantastic. Wow. I have another product I want to try on my face, and it's the new Huda Beauty Tantour Contour and Bronzer Cream. I'm gonna go watch one of her videos real quick to see how she recommends applying this, so I'll be right back. I did get the whole PR package, so I have the brush as well, and I'm gonna start with the shade Fair. Honestly, the shade Fair is pretty dark. I feel like they could have gone a little bit lighter for a fair skin tone. So she applied it with her face not set. The only place where I have powder on right now is under my eyes, so I should be fine with blending and stuff. So I'm gonna take this sculpt side of the brush product. Kind of go. You always do like one side at a time. And I have a big forehead, so here we go. Okay, now taking the fluffier side. Oh, and by the way, there's no scent. I was kind of worried about that when I saw this product just because her foundation's so heavily scented and her powder is, but this guy, nothing. Since I'm wearing an off-the-shoulder top, what if I do my collarbone here? Can you even see that? I don't think I did a very good job. I'll do a little bit on this one. I don't know. I don't know what I'm trying to do here. Since we're here, I'm going to take the body highlighter in Luna again, and let's just kind of hit this area, shall we? Let's go on the collarbone. I would use my hands, but it like stains your hands. You can't even see what I'm doing. I wish I was more graceful doing this. I do find that this applies better when you mix it like with a body moisturizer, but I'm just not, I don't have one with me right now. Ooh, you can see that though. I mean, that does look really good, but let's go back to makeup now. So in Huda's video, she didn't even like set her bronzer with a powder bronzer. She just left it as it is and set her whole face with her powder, but I'm just not gonna set my face at all, but I will use my Hourglass powder. It's like kind of setting your face, but not really. So I'm gonna take the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Trio, and I'm just gonna go all three. And I'm using a Sigma F25. For blush, I'm going to take this Charlotte Tilbury blush in the shade Sex on Fire. Is that really the shade name? Yep. Sweet.
You blending?
I'm putting on blush. My face look good?
Yeah. Well, you always look good, babe. You're beautiful. You so glowy?
Yep. And then I put this one on my body too. I tan my collarbones. Can you see?
Sure.
Okay, I'm gonna take some Fix Plus. Oh, I always forget how good the smell is, oh my god. And I'm gonna take this Fenty highlighter in the shade Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal. I think I'm just gonna mix the two together. Okay, I feel like my skin looks so good right now. I don't know if it was that glowy highlighter I put all over my face. The foundation looks good. My under eyes look so good. I do like this contour, tantour, whatever you want to call it. So let's finish up the eyes. I'm going to take that caramel color on my E54 and just go along my entire lower lash line. This brush still has a little bit of that hazelnut shade on it, but that's totally fine. And then I'm going to take that vanilla cream shade on my E35 and just kind of soften out the lower lash line. Now I'm going to put that Fenty highlighter in my inner corner. And right under my brow. Now I'm going to do a basic line of eyeliner on my top lash line with the Benefit Roller Liner in brown. You could totally use black, but I just want it a little bit softer today. Now I'm gonna go pop on some mascara and lashes. Alright, so for lashes, I used Tatti lashes in the style TL2. And for my lips, I popped on the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade I'm Nude with the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk on top, just because I love a glossy lip. I love how my makeup turned out. I feel like everything just looks so good, honestly. The eyes were super duper easy to do with this palette. I used 3 shades. If you wanted to make the eyes darker, you totally could. If you want to go lighter, you could use just that caramel shade and not the hazelnut shade. There's different ways to kind of play with this look. I think my skin looks freaking fantastic and I'm a little bit shook and I don't know if it's because of this or not, but I'm gonna keep trying this out as a primer, see if it breaks me out, clogs my pores, what does it do, try with other foundations, but I really like my skin. I do think the Huda Beauty Tantour looks really good as well. It was really easy to apply, easy to blend. I'm going to keep the shades light and fair for myself. I don't think I'd ever be the shade medium or dark, obviously. But yeah, I'm just really happy with how this turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.